guys, Rob from Bedrock Gold. Trying out my new GoPro today, hopefully it's better. I'm by myself so it's a bit fiddly. I just like to show you these diggings. That there is about 7 foot, 8 foot high, that one. Worked my way up the creek here today. Back on the bedrock. I can't keep away from it, I love it. But look at the diggings here. They go right up there as far as I can see. That's all overburdened, been thrown out. And obviously there's a big wall here, goes right up there into the distance. Fantastic stuff. I'm just going to make my way up the creek. I got up here, up the creek. Beautiful little creek. All bedrock this. And I remembered up here about 2 months ago, I got a nice piece of gold in there. So then I made my way up this way and I looked at this bar here, and because I got a piece of gold right there, just down there, I thought, well, look at this lovely drop off here. So I thought I'd clean this out and see if I could find a piece of gold. And I've had a look and it's down about 1.5 foot in water here. So I'll just give you a listen now. Oh, I can hardly hear them. But there's 2 little pieces in there. Okay. So it's going to be extremely hard to get them out now. I don't know if I can see them through the camera. So what I'll do, I'll have to get them out and I'll give you a look at them. Well, there they are, guys. Have a go at them 2 little bits. They probably might go 0.15, both of them. But as usual, take them all. What I'll show you now is I cleaned out the bottom end of this water hole here, where I thought I had to do. It's pretty deep in there, it's about 1.5 foot deep. Now I'm going to pull the rest of it back this way, from that drop off up there, that lovely little waterfall. So all that I'm going to pull down into this way so I can detect the bottom there. And I reckon if there was 2 in there, right in here, in that drop off there, I reckon there's going to be more up there, I'm hoping. I'll get back. Cheers! Nice way to start the day. Well guys, I'm back. Where I got those 2 pieces of gold, this is where all those gravels are sitting there now on the bottom. So what I did, I pulled this side. I haven't got up to that waterfall yet. I pulled this side here across to this side. I just got to turn that threshold up. Okay. And I believe I've found another piece of gold way down in here. I'll get back when I find it. Well guys, I'm back. And there is 2 lovely pieces of gold in this hole. I'm going to show you them now. There they are. There's the first one. Put him up there. And the second one, is there. That one's got a bit of thickness to it. Beautiful piece of gold. Probably 1/2 gram, that one at least. And there's the one beside it. Fantastic stuff. 4 pieces of gold within 3 feet of each, 2 feet of each other. God, I love prospecting. Cheers. Well guys, I haven't quite got to the waterfall. I'm only halfway up this waterhole. It's not very big, but there's some gold in it. And here is another lovely piece. There he is. Look at that. Fantastic. Might get to that waterfall up there yet, who knows, but I'm going to keep picking up these nuggets. Solid little piece of gold. Oh, getting up to 1/2 gram, that one. Oh, terrible spot this. Cheers. Just thought I'd show you guys, just got 2 more bits out of that hole. Probably weigh probably nearly 0.1 between them, 0.05 each. I'll keep on going, I haven't finished it yet. I still haven't got to the waterfall up there yet. I think that's 6 or 7 pieces now. What a great spot. Cheers. Well guys, finally made it up to the waterfall. So I've cleaned the bottom out here, and I'm just going to have a listen now to see if there's any targets. A few more gravels in there I've got to clean out yet. Have a listen this time. Down there about, oh, good 18 inches now. Oh. Oh, that sounds like a piece of gold. Okay. Well, the water, as you can see, the water's still very dirty. I haven't cleaned it up yet. I haven't let it clean up, but I'm going to try and find that bit of gold for you in a minute. I hope it's a piece of gold. Well guys, I came down here and I heard that target there, and I finally spotted it, and it's a piece of gold, and it's just in here. And there it is. Put it over here on the rock and get a good look at it. It's a lumpy little piece. Solid little round piece. Probably weigh 0.2 or 0.3 of a gram. Gotta love them. Cheers. That might be the end of this hole. I might have to move. Well guys, I'm back. Ended up with 8 pieces of gold in that, underneath that little waterfall. Got to be happy with that. This one, I don't know if it's the biggest, but it's certainly a nice little piece. We'll just see. That's 0.2. That one's 0.2. Should put it back in there. That one's 0.1. That one's obviously 0.1. We'll just chuck the whole lot on now, see how it went. There you go. 0.9 of a gram. Nearly a gram in them small pieces, but that's alright, we don't mind. All chunky gold, all in the one spot. Fantastic. Cheers. If you like this video, please subscribe. You'll get to see all the videos as they come up then. Thank you.